In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio files to Google Drive. Whether you're backing up your favorite music, saving voice memos, or sharing sound clips with friends or coworkers, Google Drive is a reliable and convenient platform to store and share audio content. Let's go step by step to make sure your audio files are uploaded properly. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Drive using your web browser. If you're not already signed in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a Sign In button there. Click it and log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in and on the Google Drive homepage, take a glance at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a Plus New button. This is your go-to option for adding anything new to your drive. Go ahead and click it to get started. When you do, a drop-down menu will pop up offering you several choices. You could create a new folder, upload files, or even dive into creating new Google Docs, Sheets, and other handy tools. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on uploading an audio file. From this drop-down menu, select File Upload. This action will prompt your computer's file browser window to open. Now, it's time to browse through your local folders. Locate the audio file you have in mind to upload. Once you've found it, click on it to highlight the file. Depending on your system, you may need to press Open or OK to initiate the upload process. By doing so, the upload will commence right away. You'll notice a small progress box appearing in the lower right corner of your screen. This box gives you an estimate of how much time is left before the upload completes. Once the upload finishes, rest assured that your audio file is safely stashed away in your drive. You can access it anytime simply by logging into your Google account and visiting Google Drive on any device you choose. If you're looking to share the file with others, just right-click on it and select Share. This will bring up an option to type in the email addresses of anyone you want to grant access to. And just like that, you've successfully uploaded an audio file to Google Drive. This straightforward process allows you to keep your audio files well organized and readily available whenever you need them. Plus, don't forget, Google Drive provides some free storage space, so feel free to use it for important voice notes, music, or any audio that you want to keep safe and secure. I hope this guide was helpful. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.